Hi guys, let's make rich fudgy eggless brownies that are super easy to prepare and come with the perfect crinkle top. Here are all the ingredients that you need. Start by sifting together 98 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Sifting helps remove any lumps and ensures an even texture in the brownies. After sifting all the ingredients together, make sure to properly mix them with a spatula. Now take 80 grams of good quality dark chocolate and properly chop them and keep them aside. This is what is going to give the brownie the fudgy and rich chocolatey flavor. Make sure that there aren't any big pieces of chocolate. In the jar of a mixer grinder, combine 70 grams of castor sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. Grind it until you have a fine powder. This helps the sugar dissolve better for a smoother batter. In another bowl, melt 60 grams of unsalted butter completely. Meanwhile, heat 30 grams of Amul fresh cream and 55 grams of water together in a separate bowl. Once the cream and water are warm, add them to the melted butter and whisk everything together. Now add the sugar powder to the bowl and whisk until it's fully dissolved. Next, add 80 grams of chopped dark chocolate. Let it sit for a few minutes and then whisk until the chocolate has completely melted into the mixture. If you feel the chocolate is not melting in the butter, cream, and sugar mixture, you can pop it in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds until it completely dissolves. Make sure to keep mixing to avoid it from burning. Now, gradually fold the sifted dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Do this in batches to avoid overmixing. Stop mixing as soon as you have a smooth batter. I have added the dry ingredients in two parts to prevent overmixing. If you overmix, your brownie will have a cakey and very bread like texture, which we do not want. You can know if your batter is ready if it does not have any lumps, and you can easily make an 8 with it. Make sure to properly scrape the bowl to ensure that all the leftover ingredients have been properly mixed in. Now take some butter and properly spread it in the square tin, and make sure to put parchment paper on the bottom. This will help with easy removal of the brownies. Now pour the brownie batter into the tin and evenly spread it. Here I'm using a spoon to evenly spread my batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. The brownies are done when a skewer inserted in the center comes out with moist crumbs. Once baked, let the brownies cool completely to room temperature. For clean and neat slices, cling wrap the entire tin and let it rest on the counter for 3 to 4 hours. After that, refrigerate it overnight. Now use a sharp knife to cut them into clean slices. Look at that beautiful crinkle top. And there you have it, the perfect eggless brownie with the perfect crinkle top.